Today, I want to show you guys how to remove objects from video in Premiere Pro. Please note, this will only work on a clip where the camera is stationary and there's a moving object in the frame. Duplicate your clip by holding Alt and clicking and dragging above, and then disable the bottom layer by clicking the I button. Now, click and highlight the top layer, then go over to Effect Controls, and under Opacity, select the Ellipse Mask tool. Click and drag the mask over onto your subject and adjust the mask as needed to fit your object. Now, change the mask feather to 50 and click the stopwatch icon for mask path. Move your timeline slider ahead, ensuring your subject always stays within the mask. Go over and click on Mask. Then, on your preview window, click and drag the mask over in the direction your object is moving in. Now, move ahead a few more seconds. Then click and drag your mask over like before. Continue doing this until you cover the entire distance with your mask. Now, let's go over and click on Invert. The black part is actually transparent, so now let's use our bottom layer to fill this gap. Let's enable the bottom layer, then move ahead a few seconds into the clip and make a cut on the bottom video by hitting Ctrl+K. Now, move the first part to the end of the clip and the second part to the start. That's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.